All right, we are unboxing and trying out the GiiKER electronic Bluetooth speed cube. So this is a cube that you charge up and connect with a associated app from the App Store. So I'm just unboxing it here and you'll see it's got a little cord that comes with it. So as soon as you unbox it, charge it up, you're going to want to hit the App Store to download that app, and then you pair them up via Bluetooth. First things first, I opened up the tutorial to get a little bit of a lesson because I am fairly new to cubes. I mean, I've played with them, not a pro by any means. So first things first, let's get a little lesson from them. I won't show the whole thing because I don't want any spoilers, but that's just one little piece of advice you just saw on the screen. So tons of little mini games to choose from and to just learn and keep your hands busy. I think it's so wonderful to not be staring at your screen, but still have a game going that you can play by yourself, and also be connecting with other players. So if you visit the app, you can see they've got a joint gamer community you can play against. So definitely check it out. Love it.